are here at the floating island of Biling Aquadrome. We're here to feed the baba. So we've got 3 bags of brown bread, they're very skinny as well. They need proper feeding, but oh, maybe I don't know. I can't save the world. They need to survive because they're wild. I feel sorry for this little guy. I'll be back here again, babies, on Saturday, I promise. I'll get you proper floaters. Yeah, that's all you need, the proper floaters. Maybe 2 bags of floaters and I will be happy. There's no more place for them to graze because the whole entire thing has been turned into car park. They're not really interested in saving the wildlife here. So there you go. Alright, babies, I'll have to go because I'm wet. We are wet under the rain. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my videos again, people.